everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to handle multiple windows in Playwright. I've been using this practice website. I will add the link in the description. When I click here, it redirects me to a new page. In many web applications, when we click on a link or a button, it may open a new tab or a new window. Let's say I wanted to verify this URL. What happens in Playwright is when the link opens a new tab or window, Playwright still keeps the control on the original page. So we need to know how to capture that new window and perform actions inside it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to handle multiple windows step by step using Playwright. So let's get started. I have already created a test handle multiple windows. So I'm going to change this as browser. So a browser context acts like a separate browser. For that reason, I'm giving here browser. Next, we create a new browser context. So I'm going to give await browser dot new context. And then I'm going to save this inside a variable called context. Now I'm going to give await context dot new page. Again, I'm going to give inside a variable called page. Here we are creating a new page inside the browser context. So this will be our main window. Now we have to navigate to the demo website. So I'm going to give await page.goto and just copy this URL and I'm going to add it over here. Next step is to capture the new window. So I'm going to give await promise.all and I'm going to give this inside an array. So it's going to be context.waitForEvent page comma and then page.locator. I'm going to give the locator where the click operation is performed. So I'm going to find the locator for this. So we have, yes, this is the XPath. I'm going to use this one, dot click. So why do we have to use promise.all? Promise.all is used to perform two actions simultaneously. First, we wait for a new page event using context.waitForEvent. And then, secondly, we click here link which opens the new window. Now I'm going to store this inside an variable called new page. So what happens is when the new window opens, Playwright captures it and stores it inside the new page variable. So next I'm going to give await new page dot wait for load state. Once the new window opens, we wait until the page completely loads. Finally, I am going to verify new window has opened successfully by checking if the URL contains the expected value. Okay. So when I click here, I'm just going to check the URL. All right. Let's see if this is working. So I'm going to execute this. As you can see, the test case passed successfully, which means the new window was opened and captured correctly. So friends, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next Playwright tutorial. Bye.